So as we move into the repair area, we do vulcanized repairs. What that means is that they're going to follow the same process as how we vulcanize tires, using pressure and heat. You're going to observe the operators texturizing the proper space for the proper size patch that will enable him to properly fit each repair necessary for the size of damage. Next, we're going to move into our AZ extruder area. This is where we're putting raw cushion gum onto the casing. This is the material that's going to be used to help adhere and bind the tread onto the casing during the vulcanizing process.